Anong gagawin mo niyan?
For the sake of popcorn movie night sa Vox Cinemas. So ganito kalaking tumbler ang dadalhin natin kasi whatever size daw ng tumbler niyo sa popcorn, pang popcorn, pupunuin daw nila. So let's see how true it is. May mga damit pa. Ganito kalalim. So Vox has to prove na mapupuno nila to. Mapupuno kaya? Sige, let's see. Punasan ko muna. Matakaw sa popcorn. Here we go. So, kaya punuin ng Vox Cinemas itong tumbler natin for the popcorn movie night. Ang panunuorin natin tonight is Wolfman. So, punta tayo ng Ream Mall. Let's go! This is it, Pansit. Let's go to the movies! I'm so excited! Kinakabahan ako baka hindi na valid.
Ano ba sabi?
Hanggang 25 eh.
22 pa lang?
Oo nga.
So valid pa yan.
Confident!
Matakaw sa ano yan, sa popcorn. Ginagawang kanin.
Ako, hindi po pa isa-isang popcorn kinakain ko. Isang dakot po. Nga. This is it, Pansit. This is it, popcorn. So we are here.
Popcorn day!
Popcorn.
Ayun, daming popcorn.
Kinakabahan ako. Yes. Isn't it? So it's true? Salt and cheese only? No caramel? No caramel?
Caramel.
No.
Only second.
Okay. No worries. Mix.
Yeah.
So, totoo.
Can you get me?
Yeah. Ikaw lang. National Popcorn Day. 25.
Enjoy.
Thank
Did
you.
you watch all Netflix?
Oh, sige. Open siguro yun. Maybe pa. This is ours. Oh my God, look at this. We will finish this one before the movie.
Thank you.
It is true, guys. So this is only up to 25th of January. That's Saturday. So bring your biggest tumbler and enjoy the popcorn.
Cooler nga sa kaya.
Oh, that's cooler. So everyone's bringing their own coolers, their tumblers, just for the popcorn.
Mabigat.
Kind of.
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa. Popcorn lang. So may cheese. Ba't konti lang yung cheese nilagay?
Oo, konti lang. Baka malugid daw.
Baka malugi. We are here now in Cinema 6. Dito daw. Tayo pa lang. Tayo pa lang.
Wala yung tao.
Super dami. Sobrang dami pang popcorn ang naiwan. So this promo is only for 30 dirhams per tumbler. Kung kahit ganun kalaki yung tumbler ninyo, it's only 30 dirhams. You don't have to go to the movies or you don't have to buy movie tickets. Pwede lang kayo bumili mismo ng popcorn for 30 dirhams. Kahit anong laki ng tumbler nyo, pupunuin nila yan. This promo is only valid up to 25th of January hanggang Sabado lang. Kaya enjoy na. So ito, take home na natin! Tara!